Howdy everyone. I wanted to do another demo video on the 59 Clipper Sportster. But first I wanted to show you this other project I've got. 1969 Scotty Sportsman. Purchased it online and it's in really great shape. It's been sitting in a barn for 20 years, so it doesn't need much. Mainly just finishing, painting, whatnot. I can't wait to get started on this one. Also, I'm excited because I bought a GoPro and it's coming in today. So I've been stalking Amazon like a hound dog. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Hope you learned something from it. There's really not much to removing the trim on these things. I like using this small cold chisel for, like, as you can see, they put a ton of tar on this thing. It's like tar you would put on a house, which I wouldn't do, but they did it. But anyway, and what I've been doing is chiseling around these screws, getting that stuff free so I can get my drill on that to remove them. But and then the other thing is this little plastic pry bar. In areas where you don't want to scratch it, you can reach under here and kind of pry that loose and break the seal on that. But anyway, I've gone ahead and chiseled around these screws and got all that stuff so I can remove them. Yeah, so it's just as simple as that. And I like having a bag that I can throw these screws in. It's very helpful, and also keep my tools, my hammer. I use the hammer on that chisel and just lightly tap it around there. It's not a heavy hammer, it's just a 10-ounce hammer. And that way you can kind of control and minimize the damage. But anyway, I'm going to finish removing these last few screws and then remove this piece so you can see what I'm doing. I know this stuff is simple, but to the person who's never done it before, it can be intimidating. And hopefully I can help you with that and make it less scary. Okay, I got the last screw out. So what you want to do is just try to find a place where you can get under there a little bit. And this top is steel or metal, steel rather than aluminum, and I'm going to replace it with aluminum. So I'm not worried about scratching it up. What I don't want to do is scratch this side up. So that's where the plastic pry bar comes in handy. And I'm just walking this down here, and as you can see, they put that tar on there, and you know, it might work for a little while, but it just makes a mess of things if you ever have to go back and redo it. And it doesn't really work that great. I mean, you can see on especially on steel, it just doesn't remain sealed that well. So if you're getting a bind right here, it's not going to come up. You can always try from this angle with this. Get this under there, and rather than prying that way and denting the steel, I'll start with trying to pull up on it. The other side came up a lot easier. It's easier with two hands, but I'm doing this on my phone. been looking at GoPros. Really want to purchase one of them, and once I do, then I can go a lot more in depth with these how-tos, and just you can sit and watch, learn, even if it's from my mistakes. Well, I just realized I got one screw left, so that's why it's so there it goes. This stuff generally comes up pretty easily, and what you're looking at here is what all of these I recommend should be sealed with is butyl tape. But anyway, that's that. Got the piece of trim off. Now I can take the rest of the skin aluminum here, take it off and remove it. Once you get the trim off, then it's just a matter of going down the line, and you have these nails, and just kind of getting up under there and prying those out. If I was doing the sides, I'd be a little more careful. You just kind of have to try to get up underneath there, gently do it, and then try to get the head from this side and pop up on it, and then get in there with a claw, pry bar, or whatnot. But again, since this side is not as important, since I'm saving this, and then this aluminum here on top won't show, I'm just going along, prying it, getting it up in the way I can get it. Okay, y'all, I've got all the aluminum off, and I'm getting ready to take the body off. These things aren't difficult. The construction of them is built just like a house. They're framed, the walls are framed up, and then they just go up, you know, just like a house. And I can kind of show you where the body meets, or the sides meet each other. You can see right there the roof, where the roof meets the wall. Come down here a little farther, this is all rotten. It's kind of hard to make anything out. But now if I go around to the other side, you can see that this part is all wall here, but then right here it meets the front. So I've got a buddy coming over, and he's going to help me, and we're just going to take a sawzall and go in here and cut these nails and disassemble it, and then lay these aside so I can use them for a pattern. The toughest part, of course, is going to be, I want to try to save the copper line, the tubing that goes to the stove. We'll see if that's possible. I'm hoping that these cabinets aren't attached to the walls, and they don't appear to be. But I'm thinking we could probably get this done today fairly easily. And then I want to get the trailer frame off of this utility trailer. And I purchased a GoPro on Amazon, so pardon the shakiness of my video so far. But anyway, once I get that and when I do start the reconstruction of this, I'll go more in depth and be able to do it hands-free. It's near impossible to do this with a phone, and so hopefully the content of my videos will get better and the quality. And I want to give a shout out to Barney, buddy of mine, Barney Taylor. He's the one coming over to help me. This is his trailer. He allowed me to use it, and he's got his own YouTube channel, Life and Times of Barney Taylor, and he does metal detecting and stuff. And, go check him out.